Today is Tuesday, May 22nd, 2018 in Port Huron, Michigan, and it's raining right now, and it's a very light rain. It's going on 12:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's very, very nice sound to it. And there's the pavement. Kind of dark, can't see very much. And there's the rain there coming down. There's the street light. You can see the rain. You can hardly see anything because it's dark. And I'm not going to put my patio light on because I'm just doing this video because of the rain, the sound of the rain. It sounds so nice. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. And that's it. One more look at the street light with the rain. I don't know if I could probably go around to where the eaves trough is. And you could probably see the water coming down. I don't know if you could see the water coming down out of the eaves trough. Oh no, it would be down here, down at the end there. Oh, my camera's getting wet. Okay, my apartment 9. I don't know what it's called, zoom in and zoom out. So when you zoom in, you're getting close, and zoom out is when you're going into distance, I guess. There's the rain on the pavement there, on the patio.